Can a student really make money while still studying? And do they actually need to invest their own money first? From my own experience, both during my student life and later as a professional creator and digital agency owner, I've explored tons of simple ways to make money online. Today, I'll share 3 of the easiest ideas with you. By the end of this video, not only will you know how to use these ideas, but I'll also show you where to actually find clients for them. But first, let me ask you something. What's the one thing every student today uses the most in their daily life? Your answer is probably the same as mine, the phone. So why not learn how to make money with it? Listen carefully. Here's money-making idea. #1, concept research for content. Right now, millions of creators around the world are building careers from content. And every type of content needs fresh concepts and ideas. Sure, creators can come up with ideas themselves, but with the speed of social media, they need to post way more frequently than before. That means they constantly need new concepts. This is where a new job role is forming, what I call a concept researcher for content. You already scroll news, videos, and brain dumps all day long, so you're seeing thousands of ideas anyway. Pick one category or niche, research the top 50, 60 creators in it, and build your own content library of the best ideas. Then start reaching out to growing creators, offering to help them with their concepts. For example, I personally pay my concept researchers between $600 to $700 a month, and they only work about 2 hours a day, just 2 hours. Now let's move to money-making idea #2, meme content writing. If you're Gen Z or even younger, most of your conversations probably happen through memes. You're already looking at memes, sharing them, and maybe even creating them for fun. Brands have started realizing that meme marketing connects really well with customers. In fact, even crypto projects were hiring chief meme officers for big salaries. But now smaller online brands and even older creators who don't really get today's meme culture also need meme writers to stay relevant. So if you're good at writing memes and they have that viral spark, start building a meme portfolio and pitch it to youth-focused brands and creators. Want a great example of how powerful this can be? Look up a brand called Crumble on Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Their content team is stacked with top-tier meme creators, and their work is incredible. And if you know memes and you can edit videos, congratulations, you're sitting on a goldmine. Because this brings us to money-making idea #3, meme video editing. As content consumption skyrockets, the demand for creative new formats is also exploding. Video editors are already in demand, but here's the thing. Most editors are older and only know how to edit traditional video formats. But short-form platforms like Reels, Shorts, and TikTok thrive on meme-style videos. And most old-school editors have no clue how to make them. I've personally seen editors in countries like Pakistan making between $10,000 to $15,000 a month just from video editing. And right now, there's a huge demand for meme-style editors who can create the kind of content that actually goes viral. If you're already making meme edits on Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram, just for fun, stop wasting them. Build a portfolio and start pitching your work to creators. Right now, the demand for meme editors is insane. Even I'm personally looking to hire meme editors and willing to pay really well. These 3 opportunities, concept research, meme writing, and meme editing, are things my own team and agency already do for clients. And here's the best part. Demand for this type of work isn't slowing down. It's growing every single day. For the new generation, there might not be an easier way to start making real money than this. So start applying these ideas, get to work, and the money will follow.